Let me see if I can get that on there. www.hazelsoapery.com. And I'm just coming on here for a few minutes to do a live video of Nyrvana. I'm not sure what just happened. Okay, I'm going to try that again because something happened. All right, this is Camille with Hazel Soapery, www.hazelsoapery.com. And I just came on for a few minutes to show you the cutting of Nyrvana. I made this loaf last night. Let's see if you can get a good look at it. You see it? All right, so this is one of our most popular gentleman bars. Typically, men like to use it most, but it can be used by everyone. It's made with activated charcoal and moringa powder. So the green that you see is the moringa powder. The black is the activated charcoal. Let me get this. I have something in the way. I'm sorry. Okay, so I'm going to cut it. The cool thing about making soaps is that no two batches look the same. So usually it's a surprise for me I have an idea of what I want them to look like. I never really know until I cut them. I wish you guys could see my face. This feels weird. All right, so I'm going to do the first cut. Like I said, this is made with moringa powder and activated charcoal, which are both really good for your skin. So here's the first one. Oh, that came out nice. Check that out. So I'm still learning how to do this, and then I'll kind of clean them up. I've been handling the soaps less since everything's been going on. You'll notice that I haven't been putting the stamps on. I'm trying to handle them as little as possible. Everyone in my house, thank God, has been healthy. There's the second. But I just don't want to take any chances. So anything I can do to minimize handling any of the products is what I have been doing. So yeah, it's really cool. Nyrvana smells like it's got like a really tropical kind of laid back smell to it. It's got some coconut. It's got some kind of earthy smells to it. If your guy is like, or you are one of those really cool laid back kind of people, this is going to be the bar for you. I have not been able to keep it in stock lately, which is why I have made a fresh batch. Likewise, it's been difficult with everything that's going on to get some of my supplies in a timely manner. So I have some things. Hopefully, I'll get them within the day or so that I can restock on some of the more popular bars like Divine, which is really nice. It's an activated charcoal and lavender bar, as well as I Feel Pretty and Lovely Day, which is really good for this season that we're in because it's made with eucalyptus and bentonite clay. So we've got some bars I should be able to restock on. That one's cool. Really soon. But let me know what you guys think. Don't be shy. Go ahead and, like I said, Nyrvana is one of the bars that's part of our self-care sale. Because the fellas need to take care of themselves as well. If you have a guy in your house, make sure he's taking care of himself, because sometimes, the guys aren't as vocal about expressing, how they're feeling about things that are going on. So we need to be mindful. Guys, don't hesitate to order your own. You can order them. I've already updated the inventory to reflect the bars that are available. Lucky for me, some of them are already sold. Not so lucky for you. So this is what I have right now. So if you're interested, please hurry on over and grab yourself some. So here we go. Nyrvana, freshly cut. I made them about 2 o'clock this morning. And like you can see, then I'll go around and I'll kind of clean up the edges. Again, I got my gloves on, but I don't want to touch anything too often. But I will clean them up, and they are good and ready to go. I like them. I think they came out really cool. Let me know what you think in the comments. Share the video. Ask questions. Stop by the site. Be sure to get you some. Like I said, ladies, if you like a tropical smell, it's going to go well with you as well. And here's the website, Hazel Soapery, at www.hazelsoapery.com. All right, I hope you guys have a great day. Share, Tell your guys about it. Tell your buddies about it. Guys, thank you so much for all of your support. The fellas have been wonderful over the last couple of weeks with making sure that they're getting their products. They've been supporting the beard balms, the beard oils, body butters, Nyrvana, and even the oatmeal and honey bar that's unscented. I mean, they just really been showing out. So fellas, I really appreciate you, which is why I restocked on the Nyrvana as quickly as I could. I will restock on some of the other products. I still have plenty available on the site. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a great day. All right, see you later. Here's my face really quick. All right, bye guys. Oh, I knocked one over.